Toscana Mia Cooking School. Here we are again. Today we face the idea of cleaning a artichoke. These are what we call typical Tuscan artichoke. Artichoke, when you work with artichoke, the best idea is that you slice a lemon and then you rub a little bit your hands to avoid blackening your fingers. Then you have to cut this part here. We have to get rid of many of these leaves, absolutely many, because we have to join the so-called heart of the artichoke. Then when we're doing this, we cut here. 1/3 has to go away because it's always too hard. It's impossible to use it. Then we go on with more leaves. Oh, we're so sorry because it's going away, but really when it's big, it's impossible to be used. Then you clean this part here of the artichoke. Now we finish this cleaning here, and then we slice our artichoke in wedges. The very important part is, this is a very fresh one, so you see there is just a little bit of bird here. If you find a lot of bird, you have to get rid of this fluffy part, because this is not good in eating. But this is a fresh one, so we don't have a lot of it. In case you have a lot, you go with a spoon and you clean it with a spoon. But we are lucky today, very fresh. So then we slice more edges. It depends on the recipe we are going to realize, but most of the time is in wedges. Okay, then we get a bowl of water. We have to keep them in water, and then we squeeze a lemon in because of the oxidation, possible oxidation. Then we can leave them here even for half an hour to be ready to use for the recipe we want to do. But they have to be in water and lemon. Then we'll go on with our recipe for cooking them. Ciao!